Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Today in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good beef burrito. Very delicious, very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, now we're going to turn this on. Start grinding this up. Okay, we're going to need some fresh cut onions of seasoned salt, paprika, and then we're just going to we're going to have a beef barbecue. Help give her some good flavor with it. A little bit of black pepper. Okay, we're gonna have some burrito. We're gonna put some beans and cheese. It's got some conny sauce in it. It's refried beans. We're gonna smear that on first. Get a good helping of that. Out of the way for a moment. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna put a little bit of hamburger on top. A little bit more. Okay. And then we're gonna add in some good old melted cheese. Cheddar cheese. About right there would be good. And we're just going to fold this up. You're going to take this side right here, fold it up with it. Turn this around so I can get both hands on it. And you're just going to just like that. Then we'll come back in a minute. Okay, we're gonna put both of our patties on here, our burritos. Look at that, that's beautiful. Okay. Okay, take a look at that. We're going to do a taste test on this. First, let's cut it open. Okay, let's take a look at this inside. Okay, look at that. Okay, now it's time to do a taste test on this. Look at that. Let's look at that there. Oh my god. That is delicious. That's so good. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.